Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aries fire sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Aries, Seven of Swords, the Emperor, Two of Pentacles. I think you stand by your power. The one person who honest in this connection is you, Aries, but your person cheated on you, lied to you. Seven of Swords, sneaky energy, and Two of Pentacles. Definitely your person juggling between things. I think it could be you and their career, or could be two persons, third party also. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see some more. Page of Swords, Five of Wands, the Devil. Yes, definitely there are a lot of disturbances between both of you. There is a lot of drama going between both of you. Your person could be Capricorn also, and yes, your person may be spying on you on social media. There is no contact or less contact between both of you. If there is contact, there is less communication, low communication. Five of Wands, lot of drama and lot of fighting going between both of you. Your person may be obsessed with you, the Devil, or you both obsessed with each other, or your person may be addicted to some bad habits. Let's see some more. Three of Cups, Eight of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. I think the one who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Aries. Right now, your person may be stuck or you may be stuck. This person is not going to do anything. This person is not taking any action because right now this person is stuck. Three of Cups. Definitely for some it could be third party situation, third party involved. Let's see some more. The Magician. Sometimes magician energy is also manipulation. Three of Wands, Two of Wands. Yes, I think for some there is separation, or for some there is no contact between both of you. I think your person may be trying to manifest you again in their life, the Magician energy, or you may be in this energy, you are focusing on your career and whatever you want. Three of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. I think you turn your back from your person and you are doing your work, Aries. This could be long distance relationship. For some, your person waiting for you. They are waiting for the right moment and they are waiting for you. Yes, your person may be thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands with hands, the globe. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot, day and night. But you turned your back because due to third party, due to whatever manipulation, false communication, whatever they lying, cheating, you are fed up with your person behavior, Aries. So let's see their energy, what they are up to, their current feelings. Aries, your person current feelings towards you. Exhaustion, Nine of Wands. They are acting like guarded up. Courage, strength, mind. Page of Swords. Yes, they are thinking about you a lot. Page of Swords. They are spying on your social media 2 times. Page of Swords. Definitely spying. And courage. I think they are gaining their strength to come towards you. Courage means strength. They are gaining their strength. Exhaustion. Yes, they are feeling like exhausted because you're turning your back from your person. Yes, I think it's your person right now stuck. That's why they are gaining their courage to come towards you. They are thinking about you a lot. Let's see their actions towards you. This is general reading. May or may not resonate to everyone. Their action cards. Sharing, Queen of Wands. Past lives, the Moon. New Vision, Hanged Man. I think there is passion but I am not seeing any action cards here literally, but some communication. You will receive some communication, some confirmation from your person and through communication, because new vision means hangman. Definitely your person stuck right now, they are spiritually awakening. And past life means the moon. Your person could be Pisces. Definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. I think your person may be hiding something from you. There are some secrets, definitely there are some secrets. And sharing, yes, Queen of Wands. Definitely they are attracted to you. There is a lot of passion, they are very passionate about you. Aries, definitely there is a lot of passion. Yes, they are thinking a lot about you, but they have no courage to come towards you. That's why they are gaining their strength. They are feeling like exhausted, they are stuck right now. They are trying to manifest you back in their life, but you stand by your power. You turn your back. I think it's you, the magician. You are in this magician energy because your person right now stuck. So you are doing your work, you are concentrating on your career for some, definitely. So if you want your person back, definitely it will possible, because right now you are in manifesting energy. So your person will communicate you. It's up to you to give second chance to your person, because here 7 of Swords with devil card is also here. So it's up to you, depending upon your situation. So let's pull some cards from the universe regarding the connection, where it is headed. Wheel of Fortune, 9 of Wands, 2 times 9 of Wands, 6 of Swords, Ace of Cups. So one person in this connection is guarded up. I think it's you. You are protecting your heart from your person. You are loving yourself, definitely. Aries, some changes are coming in your connection. Wheel of Fortune, for some it is reconciliation, for some you both decided to walk away from each other, because 6 of Swords, moving towards calm water. For some there is reconciliation, for some there is no reconciliation, separation. This could be partial temporary separation or permanent separation, depending upon your situation and energy, because day by day energy will change, situations will change. But one person in this connection is doing self work. I think it's you. You are doing your work, you are protecting your heart, but things are turning. Definitely some changes are coming in this connection. Wheel of Fortune is also positive change. For some, definitely there will be reconciliation. For some, moving away from this connection. So let's see your overall energy, Aries. See, 2 of Cups, you love this person. Definitely if it is water sign, definitely you will give another chance to your person. Yes. So if you truly love your person, they will communicate you, they want reconciliation with you, definitely will give second chance to your person. For some, definitely this connection is protected by the angels. So those who are waiting for reconciliation, definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation. So let's see your person energy, overall energy. Slowing down, Knight of Pentacles. Yes, they are stuck right now. Already I told you, because the Hangman and New Vision, Hangman and what, 8 of Swords. Definitely your person stuck. That's why it is very slow moving energy. Slowing down means Page of Pentacles, communication. Definitely some communication you will receive from your person, but about commitment and stability, it's coming, but it is very slow. You will receive communication from your person, and for sure, but regarding commitment and stability, it will take time, because it is very slow moving energy. Right now your person stuck. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But here lot of air energy, fire energy. Your person could be mostly air energy and fire energy. So earth energy also, but fire energy and air energy is more in this reading. So it's up to you, Aries, to give second chance to your person. If you want reconciliation, then you will give second chance to your person. Otherwise, depending upon your situation, take right decision, trust your intuition. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon, then you will get my notifications. So this is the reading for you guys. Bye.